So hey guys, welcome to Apni Coding. My name is Vivek Kumar. In this video, we can discuss about React application which are known as habit tracker. So I create a habit tracker using React JS. So we can discuss all the functionality about this application. So before we start all the functionality about habit tracker, we can discuss about their documentation. So these are the documentation about habit tracker React app, and the most important point, these are the most important points which are covered in my application. So just we can go to habit tracker and we discuss all the features about the habit tracker. So there was two button, detail view and add habit. So if you want to add any habit in this habit trackers, just click on add habit button. So after clicking, there was a form will be open, and in this input box just you type your habit, just suppose I want to add my habit go to school. So simply I am typing go to school and click on this save habit. So after clicking on this save habit, there was a message, your habit added successfully. Or you can also see behind my UI, go to school will be added in my habit. So I add some more habits. So in this list I add 3 habits: go to school, go to gym and go to class. You can see behind this input box, and when you are done with your all habits, so you click on this cancel habit. So this input box will be hide, and there was a habit which are added by you. So there was 2 more option, week view and delete. If you want to delete any habit on this habit tracker, just click on this delete button. So after clicking, your habit delete successfully, and you can see this habit will be deleted in my habit list. For checking my habit, click on week view. After clicking on week view, there was a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and all the information. Minus means nothing will be done, and after clicking on this button, so this task will be done. After clicking on this, that means on Monday this task not done, and after clicking on this, so all the functionality will be back, and here back to detail view. So clicking on back to detail view, we can come with our home page, and you can see there days. In 7 days I am complete 2 days. So these are the functionality about my habit tracker. So I think all the things will be clear. I go to my VS Code and discuss their code structure. So these are the my code and code structure. In this code I also comment all the things. So I think all is done. Thank you for watching.